Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Feed Fashion Things. I hope you are all fine, doing great, enjoying life with happiness. I pray for you, always keep smiling, stay healthy. My beautiful subscribers, viewers, and who are watching my video, I suggest you to watch this video till the end because in this video you will get different types of leather sandals collections that you can wear at simply casual. You can also try if you are going to any type of beach party or long day party trip tours, so you can try. These are very comfortable and easy to wear. Guys, at the end of the video I'll tell you where you can buy these beautiful sandals, so stay with me and at the end. Guys, if you are new on my channel, subscribe my channel, and if you already subscribed my channel, press the bell icon to get my all notifications of latest uploaded videos on the regular basis. And for more fashion and for more ideas about fashion of girls and women at my channel Fashion Things. So guys, try out if you like one of them and give me a feedback in the comment section. How was these ideas and collections that I'll choose for you in this video. My beautiful subscribers, also share this video with your family, friends and relatives if they are looking about these beautiful, highly demanding new collection of summer wearing leather sandals for 2023. So guys, you can buy this beautiful, highly demanding, classy and elegant, simple collection of leather sandals from online websites like amazon.com, shein.com and express.com. So we will meet soon in the next video. Take care, keep sporting, and bye.